Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is Model for electron configuration of bromine after calcium atomic number. Electrons do not fill neatly in order from shell 1, 2, 3, etc. Consider for example the order that orbitals are filled to reach the electron configuration of the element bromine with 36 total electrons is 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p. After the 4s orbital, the next electron go into the third orbital, which is in the core critical thinking question 23. Considering the electron configuration of bromine, the 21st through 30 electron went into the third 3D subshell. Why would these electrons not be considered valence electrons? 24. Find iron on the periodic table in model 3a. In what period row is it located? B. How many electrons does it have? 25. Following the example above, predict the electron configuration for Fe. 26. How many valence electrons does Fe have? 27. Work with your team to explain why the answer to question 21 is not 6. 28. Explain why all transition elements should have the same number of valence electrons. 29. Work as a team to identify the major concepts in this activity. 30. Identify one unanswered question that your team has about electron configuration. Exercise 1. What would be maximum number of electrons in the following? A 2p orbital. B. The 2p subshell. C. Shell 2d. A 3s orbital. 2. How many electrons are present in an atom with its 1s, 2s, 2p subshells filled with what is the element? Third, write the electron configuration for Ca and Ga4. A student makes the following statement: the electron configuration of all halogens ends in p. Is the student correct? Explain. Fifth, learn to use the periodic table to locate the main block elements, transition elements, in inner transition elements. 6. Learn the family name of the elements in group 1, 2, 17, and 18. 7. Read the assigned pages in your text and work the assigned problems. And the answer of the question is, let's address each question. 23. Considering the electron configuration of bromine, the 21st through 30 electron went into the 3D subshell. Why would these electrons not be considered valence electron? Answer. The electrons in the 3D subshell are not considered valence electrons because they are located in the inner shell, not the outermost shell. Valence electrons are the electrons in the outermost shell which are involved in chemical bonding. 24. Find iron on the periodic table in model 3a. In what period row is it located? B. How many electrons does it have? Answer. A. Iron is located in the 4th period. B. Iron has 26 electrons. 25. Following the example above, predict the electron configuration for Fe. Answer. The electron configuration for Fe is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. 26. How many valence electrons does Fe have? Answer. Iron has 2 plus 6 is equal to 8 valence electrons. 27. Work with your team to explain why the answer to question 21 is not 6. Answer. The answer to question 21 is not 6 because the 21st through 30 electrons went into the 3D subshell, not the 3p subshell. Since these electrons are not in the outermost shell, they are not considered valence electrons. 28. Explain why all transition elements should have the same number of valence electrons? Answer: transition elements should have the same number of valence electrons because they all belong to the same group, which means they have the same number of electrons in their outermost shell. 29. Work as a team to identify the mature concept in this activity. Answer: the mature concept in this activity include electron configuration, valence electrons, and the organization of the periodic table. 30. Identify one unanswered question that your team has about electron configuration. Answer: one unanswered question could be, how does the arrangement of electrons in different orbitals affect the chemical properties of an element? Exercise 1. What would be the maximum number of electrons in the following? A 2p orbital 2, B the 2p subshell 6, C shell 2 8, D a 3s orbital 2. Second, how many electrons are present in an atom with it 1s, 2s and 2p subshell filled? What is the element? Answer: the element is carbon and it has 6 electrons. Third, write the electron configuration of Ca at Ga. Answer: electron configuration for Ca: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Electron configuration for Ga: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p1. 4. A student makes the following statement: the electron configuration of all halogens ends in p. Is the student correct? Explain. Answer: yes, the student is correct. The electron configuration of all halogen ends in the p subshell, specifically in the p5 configuration. 5. Learn to use the periodic table to look at the main block elements, transition elements and the inner transition elements. 6. Learn the family names of the elements in group 1, 2, 17 and 18. Answer: group 1 alkali metals, group 2 alkaline earth metals, group 17 halogens, group 18 noble gases. 7. Read the assigned pages in your text and work the assigned problems. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.